This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olyvia Salyer. Charming rancher minutes from downtown and Colonial Williamsburg. Fantastic one-level floor plan featuring updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, sizable living room and wood-burning fireplace, large primary bedroom with ensuite bath, 2 additional well-sized bedrooms sharing the full bath off the hall and a stackable washer and dryer in the hall laundry room. Large backyard with newer privacy fence featuring a large storage shed. Amazing location, 5 minutes to fine dining, entertainment, shopping and all that Williamsburg has to offer. For more information, review the details below.